Hi there and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with stockmarketmentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at the industrial sector. There's been a lot of talk recently about AI, semiconductors, and the Magnificent Seven, but the industrial sector ETF XLI has hit a new all-time high today. Now, this, of course, has stocks inside like Caterpillar, it has Uber, it has stocks like GE and the like. And so all of these stocks have been working beautifully for most of the year. And so this is definitely a sector that I think should get your attention if it doesn't have it already. If you want to see some more stocks that we're looking at, definitely check out stockmarketmentor.com. We have a community of traders full of thousands of people from all over the world helping each other out and trading together. And we'd love to see you as part of that community. So this is something that we're looking at today, and I think it should definitely have a spot on your watch list. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. I'll catch you next time.